after all these things. Share the ebano. $100 or more, Brana Beji. All right, now Bawumia Kasa. Nancy Obekasa Kakra, the NDC is stealing our project. Yeah. Why na kaka your womb? Kakalization is still sim. And out Mike na. One to your mic, one to your twom. And MDC has taken out. Hey, one who we say Elizabeth Jackson. What's the name? MDC is taking your project. Project by now, Bawumia, one we could for no. Come here, projector, and Kauda Pam shirt no yere, Koda Pam draws a she, more bottom. Some way a project, I'm printing here, Mom printed the shirt near here. The NDC is taking our project, and you people have to talk with her. Ukomudin Dinsa so. Well, we are doing Ukomudin Dinsa so. You have done project. In the end of the day, Becca project next year. You see, Branabe Churchim, Uji, Uria, Primary Sinim. Area edisika ehhehhe for wini wie and wako test double. Come out. First, you were doing symposia and symposiums. Come out and tell us what you think about the economy. Say we economists and I say we ketra. Muna fiki, mutum banzani, mon kanu kurenkre before be no amowi preku. Wona wo yere. Obekona toothpick kutomo ofie no omo de wo preku ma. I say omo pick cheese. Obekona Samira tia, na Bawumia tia, na omachi preku pa omachi. Na omo the toothpick wom ogo to Bawumia na wa na no wi se check Norris na or the wo preko ko to dwa I say abodam mo wi preko no wan gusu wi na be ye nkremofo ye jiminti ena Samira me hu video bi o TikTok okọ nkremofo state house so okoye sala obutu okwa na otumi mutuo onya sorry we mu munafiki alternate because there's a way you need to sit to pray ontumi pontenase. You could see that she was struggling to even sit. Me, I watch things so. And I'm just like, go away. I can't care before my something way. Muna fiki way. Oh, nya sorry. Samira nya sorry. On find the moment or who wants that or bigger than in Cremosum. I Mrs. Lafia. Miss Lafia lo. Miss Lafia lo. Or sorry, no, no, I jibag, no, the chunk of when so. Miss Alafia lo. Miss Alafia lo. Oh, nya sorry with you. And the Kobutu or who's the Biampo on Tenassi. In Cremoni papa or ya sorry or tenasi no tenasi na or send starts bar. Samira Bawumia twin tenasi send the draws at you. Avena or church no me say way. On any crew we preko obo wine guso MPP for Jimmy. Sa no kan ovie. Omo we preko yi omo sim. Obekona toothpick. Omo me no target preko. Bawumia preko ha no pe. Preko ha. Ne ha preko ha. Ope be bia mre no. Baby embre no eho or the what no ati chire sa ai oyo so lie akwa we preko de nam Ghana ye kana bubu ofu enti ade ya ye se Bawumia wi preko nti ye didi Bawumia tam entwe Samira oya munafuka complete munafuka mongo video no okọ state house okọ sala obutu ontumi pontenase onim senia also otene ne nan no oh yes sala tenase o nan no you need to do it this way and you sit on your side or bre ohun sibia onye because that time nkofo hwe no munafuka we debia week bi o change draws yi we there designer draws no hwe munafuka Samira ena motete Ghana me yanka asem bi yankwase akeka oma wi preko abelchi abetena say omo ya sorry Bawumia ye truthfulization on kanukre. He should come out from his hole. When we are election, we are them double. Come out and speak. Yani what time? Ya kitchen hano. Ya what time or kitchen ha? Ya palava sauce. Ya wa de prekunam. Yani ya chofi. Yes, I de spaghetti kakra. Ya wache. Yes, I fufu. Ya banku. Bibia ya be your time. Ya bankutalization. And ya tapolization. Ya bibia quantalization. Ya abomalization. Ajim jene. Ya bibia. Sa kitchen ha. Ya nchima monkwasi afo. Samira Bawumia ni kunu. Muna fuka and muna fiki. Conform your way. The fukas and fikis. These two fuka and fikis. Be very careful about them. These are fukas and fikis. She is a fuka and Bawumia is a fiki. And these fuka and fikis are dangerous for Islamic religion. On to me point na senya sorry. Samira Bawumia, wa we pray kwa madenia ye shen. Hello. Okoda Samira kuta wine mu ahu. Okana kuta wine mu. I saw my communion or Hague. Samira Bawumia kuta wine mu. Me so okono okuta wine mu. Enya ni bi na oja fa wi na so kwa no ye say no. Also na nje no ye say. Wa wi wine na say eyim na introduce it to wine no. Asenso bo ache mo. And I'm so where puff testika crack. Oh dog testika crack. Or the testika crack. And we share a pito. 2024. Not only energy or the bear campaign. I mean you jump. Mo papa ti munyi free my bremo. 2024 not only kapa or the bear campaign. Into omko rounds na obra. So dog o the testika crack. Ema eboa o osi obi ani ha. No as ye dey anwuno kakra. Also I koso testy. Last year man atreba ko ade cho so o testy ba ko o de koso mame he. Na testy kakra and okuno mkuta wine glass ma I saw mo wine wo Bolivia. Bawumia hwena no wi I saw wine farm wo Bolivia. Onum wine say ko. Anything that more videos we better match Bawumia wa bo flat. Mr. P, get me videos. Yeah, say Bawumia we pray ko no nsan to wadwa. Kevin Taylor no. Dia na me. Election time 2024 ye hu. Bawumia Bruce stramization. Ye kuta ni mu. Wine na be ne det say ko. Yani e wo ya wine mu kura ye jai. Wine na be Bawumia de an omo negre no. Oh mo yi wo this one is in 1952 or 1963. So this one is red. So which red are you talking about? So this one is Cabernet. No, I want Bawumia obekono church the wine mu a. Ukọ mo bedroom a. O ma shena ye close bi no ma cartoon ti say wardrobe. Wine kwa ne she. Omo no nsa. O we pe no be stage. Ogwe no be stage. No abo, sata we no abo.
The lives of the people of Agbogboloshi matter as much as the lives of the people of East Legon or cantonments. Enti yeba hano yebesi toilets amamu yebesi toilets in all yebesi 8-unit toilets, 4 8-unit toilets, 32 toilets in all among the people of Agbogboloshi. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa. Ubejwari. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa. Ubejwari. Usori na uko toilet uya ubejwari enyasa.
Wait, Chebi. Oh, would you okay? Me say there are so many videos. Oh, Mr. P, Mr. S, team. Moya me puli ba obia videos. Wait, Chebi, oh, who be okwe kuta ni mu. De be our main, de be our de. Doctor. I why is it Deba, boy be peso sis. Mr. S, get me Deba. Bawumia utumi Chebi no that doctor, boy be peso BTO. We there ya MPP for us. Omo mane bu wiaram de debe si so ama no ai doctor adentina wo yes akosa wano finfim ye kun wo doctor aden na wo yes sako wano finfim de sasapo doctor omo tumi mane bu na sami awuku na bi no omo jejina ne nchen na doctor bu gure ni ma se otumi Chebi no mo mane sa deba ai nti Deba, boy be peso sisi me. Our baby, it's Doctor Bois. No, she demo, no more gym, set no more cotono. Na omudi gym na osa I. Doctor, then or 3 years ago, sir. Wanu fin media catch. Doctor, sa kwasia some near Tigana didn't chi. Omuja. Doctor, and their sala, Balam Horoso.
I do what you actually. One has been doing. One has what Satan. One has what. I want him, Mr. Gideon. Talk about the Kajinani. I will do Daddy. So I advise you now.
Mese Bawumia or Boo rough. Ono mo sacha Bawumia hwe. Ore nya abotre steady Bawumia pa. Obi ka se bi di Bawumia ta me minim dia me kan o. Me nkofo MTTK matete aka omo so. Me MPP ni omo pamo me enyeye. Me MTTK MPP matete aka omo so MPP. Matete aka omo so me member. Mo hwe ma me kira de ko jam se Bawumia komise. Mo hwe onnom nsatu. Mo hwe Mahmudu hwe. We chebia ohunika. We cheb wo yo. O se wona oh give me small wine, give me small. Onnom nsa, ye kan no bubu ofu. Onnom nsa wi preko, mu na fiki. Bon mo Bawumia no. Ye kan na bubu ofu, ade na o kase Bawumia, no onnom nsa we preko. Onnom nsa onye nipa. The guy drinks, the guy eats pork. Mama mo evidence no. You saw it, right? Onim ne kan po awful. Technology ma wasawi, wa wi preko na keka de sim wo yini sim. Preko de do. Asantifo preko ain wa wi asantifo preko ya chichi de suru wisa ene afom wisa ne ensanso ne guso wa wi yi ni sim ene enwum na wo de kira ankwanoma wa wi ne na wadane OSP wa wi adane OSP oyi ni sim ja preko e de sa ene nkremofo ya kasa a kire wa wi ababa ni name wa bo wan de guso ohun ni kampo ne kan obi ka de si wa ko bie gate akwa we because oya munafiki ne yire munafuka mo se medwa mo san hwe ne biem wey wallahi Bawumia kai
It is possible. Possible. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible.
Why we preko we go share sim o Cremonia why we preko first time. Why we preko ankasa. Precolization. Nanko so mama card nanko me de ko sa so. Unim wo hu ne kampo. Metumam of so many videos about Bawumia twabi. Hey mo de munim. Me na me kan say party no MTTK matete aka mo so. Me ya party ni aba ya kotume tubi. Akwa ne wensa, akwa ne nom nsa, akwa ne wi preko. Ende ne yire ko ya sori ko ntumi nye. Muna fuka o munimuni wo fom ho. Ya ka bibia kire mo amonte. Akwane no munsa wabo okwa asantefo party ankwanu mei anume ya anume ankwanu mei minimsia yiko na OSP so na to dum wejire hodo ankwanu ma wawe apan ma apan kwan na for so ni trim yehu de oyesisi a odenam the bulletproof car minim so wakoton wo se no so oda hutimo OSP obi ahuru obi tai kro obi ambo obi wakoton bulletproof car tim ama Paul odun so no hu jimi kika ho asem. Enti Mahmudu ba mama mnyam show Bawumia de so no ne time Bawumia time no duru a mo bo hu se me mabodam evidence am de be pia mo no mo be ka se ye Kevin ye serew ye ne ka se be you free party ne anyi bi me say time no du na me bie dwoma so a kire mo a wallahi mo be nu mo ho Mahmudu mo pa obi a Mahmudu se Mahmudu ana wana ni Mahmudu ne senior wife ni Mahmudu nkofo e pa me ba Mama Cho Mahmudu ni senior wife. Mahmudu ni senior wife. Mahmudu ni senior wife ni. on can crab akukra. Na mo information on him mami wo akura we di be 19 years. Akura di 19 years the first wife from am boy. Me bo akura full name akiro Mahamudu. Mahamudu so on can kra. Samira obi aware na wabeje na otiase di nkwasi asem. Ya kan na mubu ofu e na Samira na Mahamudu ni yiri ni. Ni yiri ankasa ni. Samira de so a side chick na obeto mu. Kwasi asem ya kan na mubu ofu Mahamudu wife ni. Mahamudu ni wife ni. Omo eba we di 19-year-old boy Mahamudu. Oh, chinchina na buta ade na Samira mba Bawumia ne mba so sa Mahamudu yiri nie. Wati? Mahamudu ne yiri nie. Me kasa me ma story a wo motete Ghana mo so Bawumia so on kan kura ba akokura. Ne yiri nie. Metuma ma on full name. In fact, o ma mbufu a. Me nipa bi am a nice guy. O ma me nyam show no na mo de abesi Mahamudu so. Mahamudu. Owo metuma kirew. Na Samira so a side chick. Konkonsa no de be pia. Samira. Away. Me pesa me spilling nyina. Time do anabo se me shege ya. Mo bo se me ye muntu mbanza ni kura. Mo be num ho. Mahamudu. Yeah, Mr. Video no. Ma me chew another one. Metuma chew video. Bawumia omne kasa kura wonte. Wow, hwebi. Ma me chew. But the way you tete na munim time na ebeduru na nipa on kan kura me chiri no kura. Samira so a second wife or a side chick kura. And na odi prema nsam and Samira so na obeji obi aware. Sa nyom ne empese be kom ba mo ya ohun ye be ye dirty wo Ghana rough. Samira Bawumia oni de so onim de eba. Mahamudu wife no mo busa de se oni maami we. Mo hear the second video. Why twabi mo hear onie Bawumia. We on kind of correct, but I'll hold on for now. In some people will say, "Do come? Yeah, say time in Yandria 27 ekono. I want to know you free kitchen haba 27. You may be free kitchen. Mube numu. Ma catch them when people for most of the we di matem. Me gadan in now 2027. Na me chere nipa me ye. Now mummy uremu ha. Aha! I'll send the down. Aha! Me mano omko Ghana. Ade obusun I don't know. I feel say ade abo fail Ghana area of Ghana say you can say aha the man obu bit of aha me say aha the man o boda am say ya obu say na obu di mo ko Ghana no hu say Ghana focus some aha it is akwa we budi bro akwa we na GBC boss we na akwa we na time MPP wa power no aha akwa do ni aha me man o GBT omo from a dude they say hey ela no pa me sorry eh omo nyina sorry jam me sorry I'm say guys what's up dude how are you Bishop was say my luck is muska ka headings pa kanya anopa no but I say me go for omo ndi omo ni angwada nti omo sheda hu bebia na mi janam free so who are the pass hello dude it was from Fatali yeah most of from Fatali kan Fatali dude they say cool be sure most of say be Ghana one day be Ghana me sawasema I had say I had so say you deport me you be me create deportivity we have so cool me ni a million no me money me ni a million Me say, me mano, me mini omutu. Na me I know some to show me say munim crank na muni deal no. Crank ko na se no me also fatally. Dude, me say no problem. Me chibu Ghana. Me sabasma hono ye bibia nsi wo ho. No lie. I said that say me sawase e deport me sawase. Now, I mean chama dey bi. GBC Director, GBC Director General, Professor Amin Al-Hassan, searched 684,000 Ghana for irregular training contracts in relation to the 13th African Games. Papa we, yes, say all African Games, GBC boss, okoye a lot training be, or should I edit board be kotari GBC one also or ye training say, in Kofokwa report, sa obwa. Auditor General asset charge 684,000. Tetigana 6.8 billion. Papa we muka no. Nyankopon utia obiaka 1111. Obia from the beginning. Oya na you say obeka me wasem bone nyame betua ne ka. Obia wa na you say oka me wasem bone nyame betua ne ka. Obia begiri de. We oyewi. Papa we muka ma me mbon chem. We no ka say ono okoti oko srem ekoya asori. Na oni imam bi bedi goma na imam so me ba me ko Kevin Taylor na say na Kevin Taylor ba TV so na imam so hwe na odi oje say yankoro okroma na Kevin Taylor wo TV so ntimi kra da me ko Kevin Taylor na so oba akra no be frɛ Osla say Osla mfa kwan bia so na yenyimi free TV so kwase ampanyi we and yeso wako wie sika kronfo the press GBC worker, they should petition the president to sack him even just because of this for the investigations to finish. He needs to leave office. But it
should have been more. Here in Ghana, in 2000, so you can control DTT 100%. With direct to home, it sits out of national sovereignty. We'll go for. Years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose footprint covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. So, nowhere, you can get him. This conversation matters. About 2 years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose footprint covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. So, nowhere, you can get him. If you get him in Nigeria, he will move to Senegal, because there are satellites whose footprint covers Ghana. These are issues that when you look
Also, Imam, no, crash on your sorry, me come, Kevin Taylor. So that time I could access Kevin Taylor on my phone. That means no, me debia. But one thing I want to say, I don't know, Imam, no say, or Kevin Taylor on TV, so no back crack. Or back crack, no the TV, and part that Kevin Taylor was so, or multi TV, so on one channel. And also of Fred, a very important regulator, that was Asla Owusu. She was the communications minister. And Okacha Asla said, how did Kevin Taylor get on TV in Ghana? They all didn't want Mahama to come to power. And Asla, and then we commissioned the NCA. And then we commissioned the NCA, meaning it was a project to get me off TV in 2024. You see, in 2023, it means it was a project for them So they commissioned the NCA to find means to get me off. And the NCA catch up say Kevin Taylor is not streaming from any source. He's streaming from Germany and also Nigeria to enter Ghana. So we cannot touch him because he has a multi-million-dollar contract. So you see, so all of them, they didn't want me to be on TV. And the Cromfoya channel. We also go jail. He needs to stand before court. They need to jail him. This is not a man who needs to be the boss of a director of Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. No, this guy is a thief. He's a criminal. He has been charged by the Auditor General. Yachino. They catch them. And then because you have a man say, "Oh, man, one word from Ghana." Yachino. And you fool. They have all been fighting me for the past 4, 5, 6 years. They have been fighting me. They don't even know how I got on TV in Ghana. How I managed to pay $5,000 every month. They don't get it. His TV does not have any advertisement. It is only Mimi TV. You can watch CNN. You can watch BBC. You can watch everything. Sports, movies. We don't show any profanity, any nudity, nothing. Yeah, your TV, Bawumia. My TV, that's not what is on my TV. Open adult content in Ghana. It is my television. Multi-TV, loud silence TV. TV. You can watch CNN throughout. You can watch current movies. You can watch Sky Sports. You can watch Al Jazeera. We don't show my team. We don't show nudity. We don't do. So you see, that is why my TV, more people watch my TV than any TV. Now, maybe Ghana, I took my time. When I went to see my mom, and I'm saying, okay, I'm going to go to my mom's room. I'm going to share idea ocean local TV so because my mom on pet DSTV. Into me come my side when I'm say, dear na washe. Na okoshe Ghana TV so nkwasi ade ekosupa. And I'm not going to mama epe sa nyomano. The only thing she watches or she me show ni wiepe ewo the other side of the house. Okoshe me wo TV so wia no aba ne side wo. Na fe TV so malam for the guso aza atro. My mom or she me show ni wia. Diaka or she team say Snake, I know what you're saying. Or say, we're one of the GG and you. Oh, my Jimmy too. Now, I could be to so. Yeah, and then the winning, me say, hey, do Yamia, yeah, Namikan channel, software, you are sorry way, me say, oh, a doctor way, on Wako Asia, Wako Germany, Wako Jabodini, Namasima Shiwako, that's why, a baby you and Frank Commission Quas, a man across to a Ghana. And you see, I don't go for Baba, send him and sendo. Now, right now, what they do, and they say, and I'm sending this message to the NCA. Omo mobile chrono TV so Ghana no. Omo ye send 10, na men send 50 no. The TV no, there's no logo. You don't see the kind of TV station. Omo no makata logo no so. If you even try to report them, say TV when they show sana, you don't even see TV. Look at old screen recorder cry. There's no logo on the TV. Oh, they are local TVs no. Baby no mu ria de baby no bokro no. Asofo akronfo ne, malama akronfo ne, edunsifo akronfo no. TV no mu kasa wosoro. They need name. It does not have a name. The logo the boni akata so. It is okay to report to cry. What is going to happen? And they say, oh, Nasa TV now or report no, any Dimbia TV ban or track it. That is what they do. And you see, you go to Messi Kota Mamma, the say, Nadia, no, shall say. Again, some phone echoes way. Also, when we don't give it to and 1 year show. And it's dinner was also BBN. So sometimes I saw not me tear sound and a cake. I didn't question someone else to say. But I just like a cry, Dabi, anopano. I say when I go to visit my mom, anopano, na asofo no so be Jimmy. In the name of Jesus, and you carry your door, and now, I didn't echo so TV, so I say, echo. We won't Jimmy too. Diamond, I'm sure, but no more Jimmy too. Don't see it's a deal when we are dinner, but also be beyond back, be the sound in here. Oh, Jimmy too. Be beyond TV, so Ghana. When you go to Ghana, there's nothing on TV. Jimmy Nkwa. I swear, me say, Jimmy Nkwa. Ghana TV, and me say, I don't remember Ghana piano. What I'll do is, I will film Ghana TV's channel after channel. Now my board will be shows watch them. Hey, you'll be shocked. There 50 channels. Jimmy Nkwa. We send you sika. We you didn't we akoda. Software jina ha. Dun sini we aba. Doctor we ton we. And me say azan nkwasiasem na studio bi onwa se baller studio kasa kro kasa omonte. Na jijim na we Mike ye kokora na we ye kokoro e na onye nyabotre enkwase me se me ko Ghana me hye da pa I record Ghana TV be 1 hour na me change no na me change ubehu enkwase asem nko a je say bibia what Ghana TV so enkwase asem nko no information nothing fake news bibia jinwa jim na Jimility oko Ghana TV so a Jimmy wa efufu ataban ohun bebia TV ne ko they are not prophetic dynamic obviously prophetic dynamic Wednesday minya na we from saying I we dey abena mebo a I fanso TV no so and okuta handkerchief fa apesa tum na prophetic dynamic Wednesday enkwasi asem light no hwa some tie yi ase na bi wo am tu channel me say o deda funu na ni patete wo ebu am Twitch channel me ma me dem okwaram change channel say hey na am de funu ha am say be TV program here omo kasa ko me say ma omo ye den oso omo ye discussion me say dey na omo ka na kwasi atobi to na tade funu ni shoot and time bi I the munim say we ase de onim no ma men cancel me so wo be cancel me wo shet fin wo be ma me canceling en kwasi asem couple mo record TV no ma me 1 hour ochina I want you to record Ghana TV. See, I'm channels, but 20 minutes. I want two people to set the camera. Set the camera, put it on the TV, and then change the channels. Bakubia manindi 1 minute. Bakubia manindi 30 seconds. Channel bia manindi 30 seconds. Set it well. Let it be on the TV. Now, I'm bought 20 minutes to have my Ghana for Ghana TV. My anti sound, no. I did be my anti Ghana TV nkwa. Use the big screen, please. Use the 70-inch TV. Use the 80-inch, the one in the living room. Record it. Record that one. Record no. So the Ghana TV is about 50. Ochama watch Ghana for. Ochama Thursday, yes. And number one kwasi aseme kwaso Ghana. Now, Andra, all African games. Ebete in some. Recover 44.9 million from former sports minister Mustafa Youssef, William Kati, and Dr. Ofosu-Asare for financial irregularities during African Games. Auditor General to government. You see, under MPP, all African Games, you know, former sports minister Bawumia small boy sika onen enko for wiaye $44.9 million. Auditor General na aya ne audit nyina ahwehwe nkratem aya mat ni nyina. Auditor General say under Bawumia ene Ekufuado all African Games in 2024 no sika sports minister we and sponsor Bawumia campaign sa we ope omo ye very influential sika sam a omo de ko wura Bawumia campaign sa we Jimmy tu former sports minister no we Jimmy tu onim nyanse bia they used him like a rag we Jimmy tu this boy only about 3 people. You see about $44.9 million. 2024 yao. Sa sikani nyina ashe. Omo wiye sa sikani nyina. Now the question here is, the Attorney General has to go into this. Now I'm asking you, onjai way, and now onjai cases no die no kofa we ana. You see how it is. Anytime I catch a Ghana for say, give the Attorney General time. Right now, this has to go to Parliament. The Attorney General has to take over, and then prosecution will have to start. And anytime I say munya botre Subway way under Bawumia and Mahama Bawumia ne Ekufuado 2024 all African Games no $44.9 million. Or no Mustafa Youssef, William Kati and Dr. Ofosu-Asare. Matisse one of the people no on na say oye chief director ewo transport ministry. Now that for partner transport minister and kwasi asam no mudi. But I'll come to that matter. I don't know why the NDC is still keeping this man who is corrupt at the transport ministry. Because the transport minister there, no, say, that man, I don't know even why they are keeping him in that office. Crazy man. Only the say, Bibi Bana say, Onya Sikani be near on Beso Beye Jumano. But we are here. The transport minister. Can't you see the woman is even effective than the man? The deputy, she is more effective than that man. Unnecessary, useless travels on the papa biya. But we will come there as we speak. Sanko from the chief director now or he is working with the transport minister at the transport ministry. In fact, the transport minister put that man there because that man will help him steal the transport minister. But yebedruho We will get there. This same man, who is the chief director at the transport ministry, yadene koma sports minister so the juma also on yet, and transport minister we confo we confano. And this man is part of the criminality, of course. So, chief director of transport ministry, Mr. President, sack that criminal and put him before court. The transport minister is a waste of time. On the policy, they say, that is what he does. But you see, I am coming to expose some people. Because you see, Obienu say John Mahama, no. Transport minister, no, why didn't be say, or no, constituency no free, no, a NDC constituency, into no, or didn't some cry, the people vote for him. But we will get there. We will get there. In Kwasiakika, she shows no respect to anybody. Other ministers have been complaining about this man. And the funny thing is, he's weak-minded. Now, Yanko All African Games, I'm sure idea. Stories now, Auditor General Adebani Bini. Over 7 million was spent on quantified T-shirts purchase during the 13th All African Games. You see, All African Games no more under Ekufuado ne Bawumia. 7 million Ghana cedis on the printed T-shirt. Unquantified T-shirt. Almost to be 7 million Ghana cedis. Ghana is 7 billion. 70 billion. Ghana is 70 billion. Billion. Edioson. Echiri po. 70 billion. I'm going to print shirts. Shirts this way how you. Tete. Sika omdi All African and the MPP no. Bawumia time no. Ekufuado time no. Almost I'm print shirt for All African Games no. 7 million Ghana cedis. Tete Ghana cedis 70 billion. Million. Uko duru menjia. Baby otum for dano. Eko baby omudi asem no. Utumi shishe sika ni na enko ebe bruso abedru wo na no. Sika podio. Sanko for no some the printed shirt. T-shirt. Ya shirt so ayehu. Just a T-shirt party. Now, Mama Sancho Krono MPP abo and the Auditor General na de abo. Interfere na we ye be di hudwuma. It is one man NDC 42 years. A dear be na person we because we need time. You hear time to prosecute and we will prosecute. Me MPP ni mapa, but me MTTK matetia ka MPP so because we got a party card. Me wa membership bibia wa ha. Enti me matetia ka so me chire magana fo hu no kure no. Now mama nko menim na me show ade. Yejina All African Games so NPP. Adentina we dey about some afenyomakin en raising or parliament kwasiato ni tinu kakawure. Almost say All African Games no. Auditor General flags contract to a health company to supply of 5,500 packs of condoms, while another company per its sponsorship package was to supply condoms to athletes at African Games for free. Now your company be almost part of the sponsorship and they say Omo best supply condoms. Into Omo custom best sponsor All African Games. Into Omo the end say Omo produce condoms. Into Omo check condoms free. And MPP are buying Esakofa another company. Omo contract say Omo best supply condoms 5,500. Now then what 10 or Ghana. And then identify for. And this is the MPP 5,500 contract on supply condoms for All African Games. Shadie. Kwasiafu wis up to me. There was a company catch a Ghana for you say we are in see the condom BBB. Almost yeah the better sponsor bia. The better and say you better ba the event one. Na ya check condoms sama supporters no any athletes no. Into yes your sponsorship package in here. After you sign the contract with another company. Say on supply 5,000. Now the 5,500 condoms. All African Games size moving and acting on one. All African Games now size moving yes acting and I said yeah. And now a blue film. I didn't question some no 5,000 none musica 300 million and sorry 30 million Ghana. 5,500 condoms. 30 million Ghana. I say, you have to condoms. You have to question Kwasiafo. You have to question Poncho. I'm so much to condom 30 million. Poly. Sasika we nyina no de akoto condom. Ene yete Ghana ha. Kwasiafo da ho ka che say, ye mom to me. Condomabulation. They have condomized the All African Games. Ebony Condom for no sponsor event in Ebony Condom. Ebony Condom number 1. At your time, Ebony Condom, it cannot be perforated. Ebony Condom, it does not matter how long you are, it will still cover you. Ebony Condom number 1. Ebony Mumfa Musikambra. Me advert obwa Ebony Condom. Maya Adamamo Mumfa Nkoye Juma. Yes, see Ebony Condom for sponsor All African Games no. And almost almost part the umbe say almost better condoms ama athletes no any eye supporters almost beba. After a auditor MPP are buying Nana the Danko Kufuor ne Abozege Bawumia Munafiki almost through the sports minister no almost akoma another contract say company be may supply condoms. Yakorisha 30 million condoms. Ye who be a sikanafa. But ye nyani e twen Ebony condoms. They're not gonna phone you no. At least you know buy Ebony condoms. Ebony condoms. Ebony condoms. What is Ebony condoms? Ebony condoms is what is better condoms with the best aid at your time. Ebony condoms ni at your time ni. Ebony condoms no perforation. Ebony condoms no irritation. Ebony condoms number 1 elasticity of a condom stretch. Ebony condoms. It does not matter how long you are, we can still cover your face. It does not matter how long you are, we will still cover you. Ebony condoms number 1. Ebony move camera. Camera. Hey, move camera. Aqua with your hat. Ebony move camera. I am a pop star.
Yeah, what's the day? November to November. Me I know my no calendar. Come on, let's ride. I'm a running man. Higher than life, no challenger. Trace my loss for the charisman. Chasing those no scavengers. Chasing those no scavengers. Eh? What's the day? As a mission city ball in a K won't yes, you're not as a saying, war. Only one actually walk on with 3 bumped and I see you're not as a saying, and the detail no evidence. I go to chill like a relax. I know the detail no evidence. I go to chill like a oh no, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. Yeah. You know, sir, I'm a pop. Oh, I'm a pop star.
You know, the pop star. Versatile player. You know, everybody condom for one from camera. And yes, I'm Yamasa Baba say advert to be me to my year. Conan the Destroyer, Unime, MTTK, Matitiaka also MPP player. Me say, everybody condom for one from the camera. Me catch them. My yama free. The whole Ghana is so be say Ebony condom. Ebony condom. No matter how long you are, we can still cover your front. Ebony condom number 1. Aqua we are talented. Hey, you grab jai grab when you me bra me you. I'm pop star pa. O me ko edim. Every wo jam to. What Jimmy dread. Here another story. You see, 2.3 million was spent on cleaning services during the 13th African Games with duplicated invoices and overlap in service charges, especially for Zoom Lion BM. You see, 2.3 million cities. Ghana is kind of 203 billion. Then on the year, you see the pra ho. You pen a month for you go to you pay near pra ho. You see invoices in na or my fake invoices. Now you see Zoom Lion, your Zoom Lion sitting room. It is like a cartel. Omu create idea na nobody abesha your con. You see a pra stadium on the day really a jabola, yogurt tour, you jai fan milk tour, you jai dia. Omu yanoma pra. I bass boys dia. Omu pra and also you 2.3 million. After you receipt in bra, receipt in your duplicated, receipt in your fake receipts, and you can say, oh, where you more ha, so question one year more ha, where you must I Zoom Lion cry the biba. Zoom Lion, they said there's a Fibia Bibia Omo. Zoom Lion, I said Bibia Omo. It is because you are still keeping Polamochi on that your Metro TV. That is why you are facing problems. Onyanko pompe so tiani pa, ofa kwasia so na tiane ba. And onyame ani wo ho but sebio sa kwasia Paul na de bia also na wutua ne ka Metro TV no ono wase twe na onyame de ma ono Zoom Lion into brana ukom no and the tainting of your image no it is because okwasia bi na wode usika hye ne nsa wode usika etua ne ka and onyame twe waso. I respect you a lot but you see because what the one abokwasia e de Paul and we jai Paul na all say wodwumadie adena Paul tip Metro TV on to defend you because who will say we are kromfo and be defend you. So until you clean your ass until say obeyi sa Paul kwasia na fi Metro TV no we na kwesi wo say ongu nkofo ni ma say and the only content kwasia de na to ye and na woto and na o so you are the one supporting Paul Ademochi to be fooling and you are paying for it. And if you don't take care, whatever you have built, it will be destroyed by this fool. I am telling you, Where I am coming, I like you. I love you as a dad, as a friend. But let me tell you, your downfall will come from Paul Adumotre. And everything that you have built, Paul Adumotre best say no. What do to me? What do sika? What do nyoma kwasiansa? Sana to ya too for so many times. You don't listen. I don't know a car with the MPP. I don't know the business you do with MPP. I don't know how much you owe MPP. But that Paul Adumotre is the one destroying you. But you're too for it. And gradually your empire will be collapsed by Paul. Gradually your empire that you have built, Paul Adumotre kwasewe, obes say no manako form. Also onam no siska. And this guy, I have told you and I've advised you on my show so many times. Sack that fool. Sack that fool. But minim ba onyamia ka so do ho bokwase ubi bia hwero. That is the only thing I will tell you today. You are a very nice man. I like you so much, but you don't listen to advice. And this Paul Adumotre now, the two TV, you know, every nonsense this guy is doing, you know about it. And kwasiadia Paul, you Ghana henina, wa shada echan trotunko for you know you are supporting it behind the scenes. You are the one doing it. Because if you are not supporting him, you own the TV. Take him off. But because he is doing your foolish bidding, you are sitting there and allowing this guy. Me say idea wa building in Nana was saying on said today your bosom lie on dimpe. It is part of corruption. There be a bosom lie on dim right now from 2020. Eba your bosom lie on dim papa da. There be it is linked with corruption. Why? Because the people now what you are being now Paul Adumotre or any papa. And then all these things that comes up, he never speaks about it and tries to clarify the issue. Mean who said Paul Adumotre abegina TV so a defend who zoom lie on that? Why? But you own the TV is on. Why hasn't he defended you before? Because they are the people who are destroying you. But mudu point to be a mujisam was kanti yeni entumufo. Mudu point to be a margin say yankwara the enimno sebio na mu mpeni for munim. Why do you think that guy has never stood on his show to defend you before? Why do you think he hasn't done it? Odi atena ho na ye Pentecost for and ye Pentecost penyini and na me call Liberia ko ye adwuma me wo Kenya. Kenya ni Liberia beto Ghana wo. So why you stable Ghana, Kenya, Liberia, DN all will collapse. I'm telling you, all these countries are working with you because of what you have done in Ghana. They are looking at your roots and how you have been able to stabilize Ghana. Now they are me Congo, me Liberia, me Sabola, Paul Adumotre would uproot you and then you will lose everything around Africa. I'm telling you, I know more than you think I know. And you know I know. And you know I know. And I know you know I know. And we all know we know what we know. I'm a catcher, I'm advising you. Now, still on All African Games, Ghana still owes over 200 million cedis, despite the 2.245 billion spent in organizing the 13th All African Games. Tio, Ghana down deka 200 million cedis. Tete Ghana is 20 billion. Apart from a car yabatua a 2.245 billion, omuwie na ebedru ndane yeda ho deka 200 million Ghana. Na ye Jimmy ana. Why is anybody adempo na MP for to make TV say mom to me? Mena woka say MPP for organization of the event almost say 2.24 billion 2.245 billion cedis. Sasa Kenya omuntu mi account for. Still, you had 200 million. Intimate hey, you had 200 million cedis. 2.24 billion. You had 200 million. Near down to Ghana to some Kwasia Samso. MPP for the TV so. Na MPP for the parliament ATM. Kwasia for we near so Ghana. These are foolish people. Every serious country, me say, the biggest punishment between the MPP is to stop them from coming close to power for the next 42 years. That is the biggest punishment too. Because sanko from this sika we they are behind Bawumia. Sika mu ni yom de twen e ba support Bawumia 2028. Why should we even give them that opportunity? The 13th African Games, just for 2 weeks. Now, for 2 weeks, you're spending 2.245 billion. Just for 2 weeks. Yeah, for 2 weeks. So I'm for to be to javelin, a shot put, a pivela, a 100 meters, 200 2 weeks. Ya nya koko masa ti anopa e de mo mudi ye we say you are spending 2.245 billion. Me no work under 2026 ya da ho de ka 200 million Ghana cedis. 200 million. Any host World Cup there chire kwaji sikedwa ekoton na ye de bete ye ka me ka bibia. Ye host World Cup Ghana e chire sebio nana we dia o chancha hine me na meka. We kra de chese sikedwa emuodu. Nana ye host World Cup e chire kotam sikedwa kosia wawa. Because all African games be to birika kura pona 2.24 billion yo. Na World Cup abrofo de betina ha de e chire sikedwa ni akofa hunafo hene no akonwa aka ho ni de yana de aka ho ni akofa eye doma hene akonwa na ye de akosi wawa ewo Southgate anase ye de ko Wall Street na ye de akosi wawa ansa na yetume because 2 weeks per 2.10 billion nana onana ne mi o wo fa se chancha hene na meka sei se World Cup be pie Ghana dia e che ton sikedwa me na meka nana enya agro e che ton sikedwa ne ekotu konfonoche ni bodua no so ka ho na ne sika na odutu afom no ye satu ene ye so to so na ya asanto atade na o sheko akono ye tam ye na ya asanto atade ne to so na ye de akosia wa World Bank enye sa de a World Cup de che 100 billion cedis dollars trillion ene na ye take ton ye nyina nana ene ke che o ton na po dada ye o World Cup a oyando o se ton no na po ye be ton na po o se ton eye educhum obi te se eye unipe the Bawumia o se ton no ye ka se o te ton san kofo ni nyina ye ton mo ye se omo ne de betika do ye de tika do so ye se omo bo adimbi ana bibi o ye ton mo makoye nkwase adwuma de atika no so ansa ne ye be face ka no e ka nan kasa de e kire ya papa na ye sa kofa na ekufu ado ka ho na ye de akote so kakra be kota ansa na de aka no ya hwehwem asanteman omo mo sopoto mpipi omo gimi na ye de omo tete omo maka ho an yetichi omo support MPP omo gimi no na yetichi omo ma esa de koto so nana enya de kito slave trade asem na make no we ye 2 weeks mirika ko 2.2 billion ne be host work abri de eche de sikadwa ko an nana we de manu susumina so eche nana ye chia bro nya e de se kejim ne de wuntumi so ase kejim na ya chi eye de KT Hamon so ase kejim ye wi aya ba be chi ke se salaka de eche twade be ma ne de se kejim no wudem na yachi obi disa akosua bedu yetu ne hwene no na de akosia wawa na kese eye de amadoku na nufu yetwitwa ede ko chincingama abrofo no na ketijemfu a na awerewere no ho kankan awerewere no ho ede akoko spices kese akire ya chi omu nyina wo nana we eka ba beda yeso no oweja pop star mia weja unhwinim
ose dey November to November me no my
iti mu amukasa ma MPP so mosumu be kakra na me de mabre me nko na de bia me cheche mu che Ghana nti obi aso ntum me cheche mu che Ghana. Now let's go through this quickly na yanko enim. Now so what is story we are you say a year Bank of Ghana direct MTN Momo to pause 0.75 fee on wallet to bank transfer. MPP for the jandam nam system say a year e-levy aba omoboa the MTN for you know a omom decision take here and a Bank of Ghana said they should pause it. Say any levy a yebejin or Ghana no call parliament. Until say parliament ebejiatum no nobody can pass any levy in Ghana. It is all you Ghana now shemia. The only way you bet me a joe sa levy no when Parliament of Ghana a pass it samrano. As we speak today, government of Ghana emfa levy bia enko parliament say yem pass it. It when sa story way by MPP for say e-levy abano omoboa. You need to understand, sad decision it was taken by only MTN and a Bank of Ghana monitor every transaction in Ghana. Akachom say they should halt it, they should stop it, and then the necessary consultations should be done. Into the announcement from here and say e-levy biamba. There were so many networks in Ghana. There were Telecel, there were DND, MTN kwane take this so decision network you know. Nobody from government are buying way embassy e-levy biya. Memma obiantina baby say MPP for ende omo ye e-levy hu de na omo nim se na e-levy ne enye. Say ende omo kasa say MTN g 0.75% fee na omo tiem say e-levy na chese omo ankasa no from the beginning no nim say e-levy is not something good. In the history of Ghana, ende Ghana yet no NDC aban emfa krata bi anko parliament ema parliament engine to mu say eye e-levy into way eye MTN for nko into na Bank of Ghana a stop you no because Bank of Ghana and they want to me to make sure every single transaction in Ghana no omo betumi agya to na so mo engine to in so because e-levy aba mun sin who so biti radio so na or kasa sa mun din kan hwe nipa no su ene ne bia na no kasa ne nyansa de ne trim ansa na motie no enye journalist ne journalist obi wo ha so nkronsuo obi wo ha na enso be na egu no obi wo ha ontumi nkenkan kran chechirem obi wo ha ejimi de be pie radio so obi wo ha onim nyansa de be cheche nsem akan ate ase enti enye obi oti radio so bi o kasa e-levy aba na o so ogini di ebi mu ye radio so mmoa omo nim nyansa e wo so mutie omo e-levy bi amba ye e wo se Ghana fo nyina ate ase. Let's move forward now. History in the making. Tema Oil Refinery. Tema Oil Refinery receives 1 million barrels of bonga crude for refining operations. And Asempa Esi. Ninyane say under the leadership of Doctor I need to give you his real name. CEO of Tema Oil Refinery. Who is doing a marvelous job, no? And yes, sorry, Ebeti and say Dr. Edmond Combat. He's the CEO of Tema Oil Refinery. And Omo releases statement. Nina say 1 million barrels of oil. And I say crude oil. Yeah, they back Tema Oil Refinery. Emma refining. You have to understand when you know ebebwa Ghana, edisika beba Ghana. Makacham said there are some young men omo NDC aban with moi. John Mahama ama omo de ama omo appointment they are doing marvelously well, especially the tall CEO NPA Edudi Tamaklo boss. These are young men. Sami Jemfi who will be to say a black kwamo. We are seeing people like so many young people. I know sometimes really few, but you can see they are all working. But in the energy sector, no, when you take NPA. Exceptional. He's doing a marvelous job. Who will be the boss CEO? Afeji doing a crazy marvelous job. Consistent guys. Who will be the tall CEO? These are young guys. They are so good in their work, and we are seeing the results. It is all about how they are able to communicate, how they are able to present their issues, how they are able to lure their people to bring their oil here to be refined and be sold in Ghana. Into today, Tor Asai another history. Remember, Tor is Siwache. Under the leadership of John Mahama and the leadership of Edmond Combat, Tor has now gotten very gotten improved. Their output is basically something to write home about. We are hoping say this trajectory, Sibia Tor Echo, Nyoma Echo the leadership will keep the pace. So far, they have shown, as I say, it's something I was here support you. As I speak, 1 million barrels of bonga crude oil and omode abagana ombe refining. Under the NDC, Tor is effective, it is working, and every single person should be happy about this. Now, finally, the Interior Minister, Muntaka Mubarak. We, Interior Ministry, have agreed with YEA to absorb about 60% of their security assistant beneficiaries into major security services. The hardworking Interior Minister, Muntaka Mubarak, on Malik Basintele, agencies, and I said the Ministry of Interior and YEA, they are coming together to absorb YEA for almost some group of security assistants. Interior Ministry said, "Sir, in conform 60% into our security agencies." That is what we call creating opportunities for people. This government is really working, and the agencies and the ministries are interlacing. They are making sure say to create a job. We are very happy about this. We are very happy. Say the Ministry of Interior, led by Muntaka and Basintele, they are collaborating to create job opportunities for the young people in Ghana. From security assistants, now a Ministry of Interior say about 60%. Now they integrate into a security agencies and security services in Ghana. This is good, and I expect to say other agencies will collaborate with other ministries to be sending people into other ministries to be employed permanently to also have a decent job. These are all very, very important things. Aban Eya or say Ninano, ya applaud you more. And finally, this story is about a school feeding. The national coordinator of the Ghana School Feeding Program, Hajia Fati Fogo, dismisses claim that caterers and cooks are owed several months of arrears. She notes that payment for the second term of the 2025-2026 academic year have been fully disbursed to all caterers under the program. The boss of school feeding.
I haven't heard any agitations from them. I haven't received any report from them. Whatever it is just a mere speculation. I don't deal with speculation. If they have an issue, they have an office to report to. We have regional offices across the country, all 16 regions. If you are in a particular region and you have a problem, you know whom to talk to. We have zonal coordinators who reach out to them every now and then. So if any one of them has a concern, I don't see why they cannot address it properly, but rather to go on the street and say they want to demonstrate. I don't know what they were agitating for. Because for me, I believe that whoever has an issue as a caterer, if properly channeled through the right system, we are able to address that. Probably they haven't done that. If they did, I believe their problem would have been solved. Today, as I speak to you, caterers have been paid for the second term, 2025-2026 academic year. There was no way we wouldn't have paid them, knowing very well that Salah was at the corner. So if you go to their platforms, it's full of joy. Everybody is excited, they are happy. There might be challenges once in a while, yes. Dealing with 12,045 caterers is not an easy thing to do. You understand? So no matter how you try to work around that, a few will come out with issues. And those issues, they are not deliberate. These are simple issues that people would make mistakes without realizing that that can cause them, or you can let them not have their monies being paid to them. So when reports are made to us, we make follow-up to understand whatever it is. We take it out from there and we are able to address them. So others had similar concerns, just a few, which I believe today they won't be saying the same thing. It's just lack of patience.
So this is Hajia. She is the head of a year school feeding program in Ghana. And clearly, the woman has made it clear and very, very eloquent. Sebio, for a very long time, Yente say school feeding problem about him. And under the leadership of this woman, no, you can see say it is running smoothly. Some people are putting some jandam and propaganda out. Oh, school feeding for you, Omobeko strike. Or say no, there's nothing like that. 2025-2026, you have paid every caterer. In fact, over 12,000 caterers na say. Once in a while, somebody's paperwork or administrative things in TAB and OBC Kamba, but she can tell and confidently say about 99% of the caterers, and their money has been paid 2025-2026. It's been cleared. So those jandams going on, and she made some very important points. Or say, so who is school feeding caterer now who experience a problem? There is a way to communicate. You can go to your district, you can go to your region, then it gets to national. But then you can't say a problem and that you are going to go sit on some radio station to talk. And I like her boldness and her leadership quality. She makes you understand, say, Jumana Oyen. She's not a pushover. She's somebody who understands her job. She understands, say, there is a division of labor, and that if you are working as a caterer for school feeding, you need to know. You have a way to go about it. But to her, she was blunt and straightforward. School feeding 2025-2026 academic year, they have paid. There are no arrears, and nobody can come and contest that. And this is the kind of leadership and confidence we need. Transparency and respecting the people they work with. You can see this woman does not play with her job. She's straightforward, she's accurate, and she's always on point. And I believe, if we are able to learn from such people who basically know their job and speak effectively on what they do, and there's no way you can doubt her when it comes to Nejuma. You can see for about a year and over now, Mami way Ejuma wa year was school feeding. We all know, and you're perfect, but it's been one of the best when it comes to administrative work, when it comes to managing school feeding. It's been one of the best. So I believe we should support her. The work she's doing has been marvelous. It's been perfect and superb. In fact, I don't normally use such words, but this woman has shown over the years. This argument with man on what says school feeding. School feeding becomes an easy thing for us to appreciate. The echo. I would like to applaud this lady. More caterers. Some more problem. Yeah, it is easy. Go to your district coordinator or regional coordinator, and then finally to get to the national. But so far, she has made it clear there is no problem with school feeding. Obi a ojina baby aso be strike bia oboa or sister obi say yedeneka na person ko striker. The way is your front. But so far, from what she knows as the leader of the school feeding, as the head of the school feeding, 2025-2026, payment has been done. Mo amonsanka ebia administrative work be paperwork be amofilia ebia go through into, but she was very consistent in her statement. Let us support people like this. You can see this is confidence. This is not arrogance. When you look at somebody like Asla, it was arrogance. It wasn't confidence. This is confidence and not arrogance. And that is what we need to distinguish or understand. There are people who are confident and respectful. Asla was disrespectful and arrogant in his actions. That is why most people were like, Asla is basically a nuisance to politics, a very dirty, disrespectful woman.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.